Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love travel, food, and all things cruising, you're in for a treat. Join me as I take you on a 7-day culinary adventure aboard the Sun Princess. From indulgent fine dining to casual bites and refreshing drinks, I'll be sharing some of the places you can eat and drink if you have the Princess Plus package. Stick around for some essential tips and tricks to help make the most of your dining experience. If you're excited to see some of the delicious cruise food options, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fun cruise content. Now let's dive in. First up, the Wakeview Terrace. This spot is all about the vibes. Ocean breeze, comfy seating, and stunning views. Check out a few refreshing cocktails from the Wakeview menu while enjoying the sail away. This is a perfect way to kick off your cruise. If you're looking for a relaxing spot to unwind, this is it. Make sure to take a trip on the secret glass elevator in the aft of the ship to catch views from all levels. It's especially spectacular at night. Speaking of drinks, the outdoor sun bar quickly became one of the go-to spots on the ship. Whether you're into tropical cocktails, mocktails, or classic spirits, they've got something for everyone. This is the perfect spot to enjoy an afternoon football game or a movie under the stars on the big screen. Now let's talk about pizza. Alfredo's Pizza is a must-visit on the Sun Princess. They serve up freshly made hand-tossed pizzas with high-quality ingredients hot out of the oven. Everything from specialty Italian cocktails to antipasti and perfectly crispy pizza crust. It's all absolutely delicious. Feel free to mix and match the toppings to get that perfect custom pizza. For a quick bite, the Lido Deck Tacos and Shawarma Station is a solid choice. Get the chicken or lamb shawarma or cheese nachos and load them up with toppings. One of my favorite things to do is chill in my cabin or on my private balcony and order room service. The Ocean Now delivery app menu has a good variety of sandwiches, sides, salads, and desserts. My favorite, the grilled cheese from the kids menu and the fresh fruit plate. Who can resist a midnight snack while watching old Love Boat TV shows on your stateroom TV? If you plan on ordering stateroom breakfast the night before, here are some tips. Get the small half-liter bottled water that's included in the Princess Plus package, so you always have a few extra to keep in your mini fridge for later. The egg, bacon, and cheese English muffin, also known as the Princess Egg Muffin, comes with Canadian bacon and American cheese. But if you don't like the bacon or the cheese, just make a note on the form. And don't forget to hang your order outside your door before midnight. If you end up going out to dinner and a show, then staying out past 12, you'll miss ordering your breakfast in bed. If you like specialty coffees, it's easy to order and customize coffee in the app. For a latte, you can choose regular, decaf, or espresso. Select your type of dairy or non-dairy. They have different types of sweeteners and flavored syrups. Choose to have it iced or extra hot. Be creative and invent something new. You know, you can also use the Princess app crew chat feature to ask where to find things like the premium desserts, specifically the Black Forest cake. Turns out those premium desserts are on deck 17 by the pool at Coffee and Cones. For a light snack or quick bite, the International Cafe has got you covered. They offer freshly made sandwiches, pastries, and lots of other goodies. I highly recommend you check out the daily selections. For classic American comfort food, the Americana Diner is the place to be. Burgers, fries, milkshakes, just like your favorite diner back home, but at sea. They serve all-day breakfast, sandwiches, sides, chicken, beef, seafood, and all sorts of other comfort foods, pies, and desserts. Need a quick bite? The eatery Grab and Go has fresh, pre-packed sandwiches, salads, and snacks ready to take with you. Perfect for when you're on the move and you don't want to sit down for a meal. On your cruise, you could pick up things like a Mediterranean salad, a ham and cheese baguette, chocolate chunk cookies, or even a fruit salad, banana walnut cake, smoked salmon salad, and my favorite, cheese and crackers. For sit-down breakfast and lunch, try the Soleil main dining room. Their menu offers a good variety of everything and it's cooked to perfection. Try the all-American breakfast with 2 eggs, hash browns, and turkey sausage. For lunch, they have a few light bites like roasted cauliflower and colossal fries, and lots of choices for mains. Here's the Cobb salad with grilled salmon. For dinner, you can make reservations ahead of time at the Eclipse main dining room every night. Although you don't have to attend every night, but this does help you skip the no reservation line. The menus change every night, but you can check out the menus in advance, either on the Princess app or on your stateroom TV. If you're on a 7-day sailing on the Sun Princess, here's what the daily dinner menu could look like. Before we wrap up, here are some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your dining experience. Number 1, plan ahead. Make reservations ahead of time in the app, just so you can skip the no reservation line, but you can actually go whenever you want. And if you like a quieter dinner, wait until after the dinner rush. Number 2, customize your meals. If you have dietary preferences or you're a picky eater, don't be afraid to ask for modifications or suggestions. The staff are very accommodating. And don't forget this works at the buffet too. Also, if you don't see something you want, just ask for it. Try something new. Cruises are the perfect time to explore different cuisines, so don't just stick to one item on the menu. Go ahead and order more than one starter or dessert. Ask your waiter. And last, use the Ocean Now delivery app. It's free for most items, so take advantage of all the food and drinks and amenities offered in the app. Whether it's breakfast in bed, a drink by the pool, a midnight snack, or just some extra bottled water for that morning gym workout. Well, that wraps up the 7-day drink and dining options aboard the Sun Princess. From casual eats to fine dining, every meal is an adventure. If you're planning a cruise, be sure to check out all the dining options. Plan ahead to make the most of your experience, and don't forget you can customize your meals to fit your preferences. Let me know in the comments, which meal or dessert would you order? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more travel and food adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.